Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Builder Nail Gel. First, ensure your nails are clean, filed, and buffed. Push back your cuticles gently. Next, apply a dehydrator to remove oils, followed by a non-acid primer for optimal adhesion. Finally, brush on a very thin layer of gel base coat, making sure to cap the free edge. Then cure it under your lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. Now let's apply the builder gel. Pick up a small bead of gel with your brush and place it in the center of your nail. Gently float the gel, guiding it towards the cuticle area without touching the skin, then down to the side walls and over the free edge. Build a slight apex in the middle for strength, ensuring an even, smooth surface. Once you've sculpted the gel, check your nail from all angles to ensure a beautiful, even shape and a strong apex. If needed, make small adjustments with your brush. Then, cure the builder gel under your UV or LED lamp, typically for 60 to 120 seconds, depending on your lamp's wattage. After curing, wipe off the sticky inhibition layer using a gel cleanser. For the final touches, gently file and buff your nails to perfect their shape and smooth any imperfections. Once satisfied, apply a thin, even layer of your favorite gel top coat, ensuring full coverage and capping the free edge. Cure this final layer under your lamp for 60 seconds. Finish by applying cuticle oil to nourish your skin and nails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.